Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to minus 4, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown we have to solve for. Now to do this, solution, the question is 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to minus 4. Now the first thing we are going to do is to move minus 4 over to this side, such that this becomes t raised to the power 4. Then if minus 4 crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 4 is equal to, here becomes 0. So with this, what we are going to do is to manipulate this particular expression such that we can make it factorizable. And how can we go about it? Simply, we can write this as t raised to the power 4 plus 4, then plus 4t squared minus 4t squared is equal to 0. Now looking at this, we haven't done anything much, because if you say plus 40 squared minus 40 squared, that is equal to 0, and you will still get back t raised to the power 4 plus 4. So this does not change anything. Okay, so then rearranging this, what we are going to have is t raised to the power 4, then we have plus 40 squared, then we have plus 4, then we have minus 4t squared, all is equal to 0. Nothing has changed here, because plus 40 squared minus 40 squared is 0. We have t raised to the power 4 plus 4 back. So if you look at from here to here, this is factorizable. This is equal to, in bracket, t squared plus 2 all raised to the power 2. Because if you expand this, what you will get is t squared plus 4t squared plus 4. Okay, so in the place of this expression right here, we'll bring in t squared plus 2 all raised to the power 2. So this then becomes, we have it to be equal to, in bracket, we have t squared plus 2 all raised to the power 2. Then we also have minus 4t squared, so minus 4t squared is equal to 0. Now from here, we have t squared plus 2 all raised to the power 2 minus, we can express 4 as 2 squared, then times t squared is equal to 0. So with this, what we have is, in bracket, t squared plus 2 all raised to the power 2 minus, then this can be written as, in bracket, 2t all raised to the power 2 is equal to 0. So from here, if you look at this, what you have is difference of 2 squared. And if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, so at this junction, what we have is the value of a is equal to t squared plus 2, t squared plus 2, while the value of b is equal to 2t. So expanding this expression with this, what we have is, in bracket, a is t squared plus 2, then minus b is 2t, multiplied by a is t squared plus 2, then plus b is 2t, all is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, let us then rearrange this expression such that, in bracket, we have t squared, then move minus 2t, so minus 2t, then plus 2, multiplied by, we have t squared, then plus 2t, then plus 2 is equal to 0. So with this, we can equate the two equations to 0. Equate this to 0 and also equate this to 0, such that we have it as t squared minus 2t plus 2 is equal to 0, or we have t squared plus 2t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have two equations, so let us solve this equation separately. Let's first start with this equation right here, which is t squared minus 2t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now looking at this, what we have is a quadratic equation, and to solve for the value of t, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. So with respect to t, the formula is given by t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a in this equation is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1, the value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 2, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 2. So inputting the value of ABC into the formula, the value of t is then equal to minus b is minus 2, so minus 2 plus or minus square root b is minus 2, so minus 2 all squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 2, then all over 2 times a is 1. So with this, the value of t is equal to minus times minus 2 is plus 2, plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared is 4, then minus 4 times 1, 4 times 2 is 8, all over 2 times 1 is 2. The value of t is then equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4, then all over 2. So from here, we can write the value of t to be equal to 2 plus or minus, we can write down root minus 4 as root minus 1 times root 4, then all over 2. Such that from here, the value of t is equal to 2 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times root 4 is 2, then all over 2. With this, the value of t is equal to 2 we divide 2, 2 also divide 2. What we have is 1 plus or minus I. So with this, the value of t1 is equal to 1 plus I, while the value of t2 is equal to 1 minus I. Now I've gotten the value of t1 and t2. Let us then get the other values of t. Now, don't forget that we got these two values from this first equation right here. So then, working with the second equation, in which we have t squared plus 2t plus 2 equals 0. So, t squared plus 2t plus 2 equals 0. To then solve for t, we're also going to make use of the quadratic formula. So, with respect to t, the formula is given by t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is plus 2, while the value of c is equal to the constant, which is plus 2. So in putting these values into the formula, the value for t is then equal to minus b is 2, so 2 plus or minus square root b squared, that will become 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 2, then all over 2 times a is 1. Then the value of t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So from here, the value of t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4, all over 2. From here, the value of t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root minus 4 can be written as root minus 1, then times root 4 all over 2. With this, the value for t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times root 4 is 2 all over 2. From here, 2 we divide 2, we have 1. 2 also divide 2, we have 1. So then, the value of t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I. So with this, the value for t3 is equal to minus 1 plus I. Then t4 is equal to minus 1 minus I. Now, these are the solutions for the values of t. Okay, so with this, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.